Ben and I are both born and bred in Canterbury region. We wanted to make an impact at community level and at the leadership level, and the obvious choice was the University of Canterbury.
We're very focused around thinking about the MBA and the effect that good leaders can have on their community. The fact that we can help one individual realise their talent and the ability for them to be able to make a contribution back to the community feels exponential. We've tried to create something a little bit unique with a wraparound program that is a little bit of a financial contribution, but more importantly providing mentors who bring professional experience, but also an outward bound program which allows the mentors, the scholarship recipients and some of our professional networks all coming together to create a scholarship program with a difference.
The scholarship has definitely put me into a growth mindset. It's taught me to operate outside of my comfort zone and say yes, because you never know where that's going to take you or what people you're going to meet.
We are immensely grateful to the Gough Family Foundation for their vision. They're enabling scholars to develop the leadership capabilities necessary to future-proof organisations.